We'll guide you through how to fix Windows Media Player issues or problems. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be super annoying when a Windows Media Player isn't working, so let's try and fix this. First of all, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, and you want to go and type in Windows Features, just like so. Now you should go and see this option here, turn Windows Features on or off. Go and click on it. Now what you need to do is go and locate media features just here and go over to the right and click on the plus to expand it. And then what you need to do is click on the tick just to the left like so. So what we're going to do is essentially go and turn it off and uninstall it. So where it says do you want to continue, press yes. And then what you can do is go and click on OK. It's now going to go and start the process like so. Now what you should do is just go and restart your computer. So you can click on the Windows icon at the bottom, then go and click on the power button and go and click on restart. After your computer is restarted, come to the bottom again and click on the search and type in Windows Features again like so and click on it. Now what you need to do is find media features, go to the left and click on the plus and then go and click on the tick to the left like so. Now go and click OK. And this should go and reinstall it. So just go and wait. And now it says Windows completed the requested changes. You can go and press close. Now come to the bottom of your computer, click on the search, and now it should now be reinstalled and you can try using it and hopefully your problem will now be resolved.